Yeah, I've been just picking pieces of you. Think about how can I get you?
Hello and welcome back to my channel, Simply Queen by Sherell. That's me, the modern day seamstress. Today is January the 4th, 2023. So yes, it is the start of the new year. I am just popping on here real quick because I wanted to share with you this awesome tool, or at least I'm hoping it's going to be an awesome tool for me that I purchased for myself as one of my little stocking stuffers. I tried to get this tool when it first launched, I guess maybe a year or so ago, but she sold out very quickly. And then after that, I got busy with my life-changing events last year, so I never did get the opportunity to slow down enough to check on the reorder. Well, I think one time I was made aware of a reorder, but I didn't get to the site in time to snag what they had left. But this year, I was watching her YouTube channel, as I often do. I watch all of her videos, and heard her say that there were still a few more left over on her site for sale, and that after this batch sold out, she would not be getting any more because it was going to undergo I guess a makeover. So anyway, here it is. Yep, it's Erin on Demand's Top 3 Daily Priorities Notebook, and this is the box that it comes in. Okay, and this is the actual notebook. Okay, so that's the notebook, and it comes with the top 3 method sheet, and then there's a little bit about her bio on the first page, and then it just pops right in. So on the first page, it says, write your vision, my top 3 visions for the year. And since it is still the 1st of January, I am going to this week, over the weekend, write down what my top 3 are. My top 3, I guess, visions are for myself this year, and I have started to think about them. And then the next page says, make it plain, a photo that represents each of my visions. So once I narrow down what those 3 things are, I will find a photo and include that on this page. And then the very next page, you're jumping right into your top 3, for however long you're going to use it. I would imagine it's enough for a year or so in here. So mine started today, January 5th, 2023. And it's very simple because I just wanted to start using it. And my number 1 priority for today was to get my mother's referral for some radiology services that she needs for her legs. So that was number 1 priority because she went to the doctors like 2 days ago, and they still hadn't forwarded her for referral to a location here where she now resides. So that's priority number 1. The second thing, I have shopping. I want a book that will house my monthly household bills, and look for the tax program. So that's number 2 on my list, because those things are going to set up is going to set up probably what one of my my vision things will be. Those are tools, so those are a must today. And then the third thing was has to do with finances. Again, my home finances, and that I need to order some checks. I used my last check with my old address on it, and I've been gone from that address for over 6 months now. Now, down on the bottom, it has a space for task, and perhaps some of these could have been categorized as tasks, but because I'm just getting started using this, and it is the new year, I list them as priorities because they are. So under my task, I did put call mom's doctor's office if need be. And I need to set up a couple of automatic payments. And then I want to look into a meal service. So those are things that I'd like to do in addition to my task. But if I do not get to them today, it's okay. And then I do not have anything in the notes section yet. One of the notes I will make will be that the tax program is not available yet. So that's it. I just wanted to pop on really quick in 10 minutes or less, tell you about the top 3. I will assess my use of this 2 months from now. So at the start of March, I'll do another review on this. But if nothing more, it is fabulous to look at and to have sort of in my office on my coffee table. So anyway, you all have a wonderful day and look forward to more videos coming really soon, just very, very quickly. I am starting to put together, and it's probably going to have to be 2 or 3 parts, broken down into 2 or 3 parts, maybe even 4 of, say, 30 minutes or less, talking about my journey the past year. I recorded tons of footage over the past year, documenting from when I first, started the, prepping for the whole sell and buy, and move my mom here to Virginia with me, that whole process. And so, like I said, it's a lot of footage, a lot of stuff that I have to comb through and put together. It's not going to be extravagant because I haven't used, say, iMovie or any of those applications for well over a year, and I don't want to weigh myself down in perfecting using it again. I'm just going to put together some simple but nice videos with a lot of information, just sharing with you that journey in case you yourself need to consider this journey in the near future. So anyway, you have a wonderfully blessed day.